Hey girls, this is the third and the final video to complete the square. So you're able to do the homework exercise questions. That's 8H from question 4 to 9. Okay, the one question that I want to go through in your exercise is question 8A. And it says solve this quadratic equation if possible. Now you can't always solve all quadratic equations if you get a negative number in a square root. And I'm about to show you in this example. Firstly, the first thing you want to have a look at is look at the three numbers. And if there is a common factor, take that out, which I explained before. So the common factor amongst these three is 2. So take the 2 out and bring these in. So x squared minus 2x plus 4 bracket equals to 0. Now, when you complete the square on this, oh sorry, I made a mistake. Whoops, it's not a plus 4, it's a 2. When you complete the square on this, obviously because we can't factorize that easily, treat it like the same thing, just ignore the 2 for now. Let's just rewrite this equation. So it's the same thing as you solving this. Okay? Oops. What did we do in the previous video? Once we got that, write the first two terms out. So x squared minus 2x, and bring the plus 2 to the other side, and that becomes minus 2. And then remember the template, bracket squared, x equals, let's fill in the brackets now, let's fill in the blank, sorry, minus 2 is there, remember the half of that divided by 2 is 1, the sign is minus, so we put a minus there. Now, what did we also have to do after that? Get the number 1, so if I square that, that's just 1, which we're adding next to here. Now, let's rewrite all of this out and simplify and see what we get. What we have is bracket x minus 1 squared equals to minus 2 plus 1, that's minus 1. Can you see from here why we can't continue solving this equation? If you can't, let's have a look. Remember, we have to get rid of the square, so we have to square root the other side. So x minus 1 equals 2, plus or minus square root of minus 1. However, as you can see, we have a negative number in a square root. And if you put that in the calculator, it's not going to come up with an answer because you can't square root a negative number. So in this case, solve if possible. In this case, it's not possible. Okay? So the answer is there is no solution. No solution. As we have a negative number in square root. Okay? So when you end up with a negative number on the other side that you have to square root, it's not possible to solve the equation. Okay?